What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorials. So guys, if you are a Linux operating system user, there is a bad news for you. If you try to update and upgrade any of your Linux packages using the apt package manager, it will not work. Because recently Linux team released a new signing key to their repository. And without adding that new key to your Linux box, your Linux machine will not work in update and upgrade process. Let me show you the error first. If I type here sudo apt update and press enter, then give my root password, here you can see after some time it will give us a error. Here you can see the warning GPG error, and the error is the repository, this one is not signed. So we need to add a new signing key to our keyrings to make this sudo apt update package manager and the repository works in our Kali Linux. So let me show you how to fix it. So open up any of your browser, then visit to kali.org, then click on blog, then open up this new blog post, a new Kali Linux keyring signing key. Let me zoom in little bit, and here you can see the blog post about the problem. To fix this issue, you just need to simply copy this command from here, then clear your terminal and paste that command here. Now press enter. This command will add new Kali Linux keyring or sign key in your Kali Linux machine. Now after this command, again simply type sudo apt update command, and now this time it will work because we added a new signing key to our Kali Linux repository. Like this, you can easily fix this issue if you get any issue while updating or upgrading your Kali Linux package using the apt package manager. So that's all for today. Thanks for your watching.